Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. This past year, my oldest son, who was 10, learned how to play chess, so we had to get him his own board. This one from A&A is so cool. It's made of pine, it's beautiful, but it's also a carrying case all in one. You store the pieces inside the game itself. On the bottom of the pieces are felt pads so it doesn't scratch the wood and your pieces glide over the game board with ease. But the cherry on top is this is magnetic. So each of the pieces have these gentle magnets in it, so when you're in play, your pieces aren't falling over. It also folds in half, so it doesn't take up a bunch of space. It's easy to store. So we've been having a lot of fun with it. He enjoys refining his skill, playing with his dad. I've been enjoying having him teach me because I haven't played it in a long time. So he's given me lots of refreshers. It's just been a fun family activity for all of us. And that's my point of view.